Hello and welcome you to another video of BEST. As you know that the CUET UG 2024 examination is around the corner and almost all the aspirants have started preparing for their boards as well as the CUET exam simultaneously. I here at BEST have brought for you a weekly series where I will discuss with you the previous year English question papers, that is CUET UG 2022 and 2023 question papers. If you want to get access to the downloaded question papers and want to take mock tests and that too the replica of the real exam, that is your CUET exam, do register yourself for free at www.best.in. Today I have brought for you a few questions that was asked in the English paper of CUET UG 2022. The first question is, from the given options, select the pair of words which carries the same relationship to the given pair of words. The pair of words that is given is respect is to regard. Now if we look into these two words, respect and regard, we can see that both the words are synonym of each other, that is they have the same meaning. Now from the given options, we will have to find that pair of words which has the same relationship like respect and regard. Number A, we are given stain is to spotless. Now what is stain? Stain means mark or spot. That means it is opposite of spotless. So this option is not correct as it is not a synonym but an antonym. Option B is ruin is to repair. That is also the same. The relationship is an antonym of each other. Option C, detached is to despite. Now detached means dislike and despite means contempt. Option D, regret is to rejoice. Regret is to rejoice also carries the opposite meaning. It does not has a similar relationship to our given question. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is detached is to despite. The second question. From the given options, select the pair of words which carries the same relationship to the given pair of words. Dull is to bright. Now dull and bright are antonyms, that is it has the opposite in meaning. Now we will have to find that pair of words which is opposite in meaning from the given options. Number A, forsake is to discard. Forsake means to abandon and discard means to throw away. That means they are similar in meaning. So this option won't go with our question. Option B, lean is to slender. Lean means thin and slender also has the meaning of being something thin. So option number B is also not correct. Option C, fragile is to delicate. Now what is fragile? Fragile means something that is weak or easily breakable, and delicate also means fragile. So they are similar in meaning. Option number C is also not correct. Now option number D, we have harmony is to discord. Harmony means peace. Discord is conflict. So these two words are opposite of each other. Therefore, they are antonyms and it has the similar relationship to the given question, dull is to bright. So our correct answer will be option number D. Third question. From the given options, select the pair of words which carries the same relationship to the given pair of words. Here we are given happiness is to misery. So happiness and misery are opposite. Misery means unhappiness. So happiness and misery are opposite to each other and we will have to find that pair which carries the same relationship. In option A, we are given violent is to wild. Now violent and wild are similar in meaning, therefore this is not correct. Option number B, is construct is to dismantle. Now construct and dismantle are opposite words, as dismantle means to deconstruct. Therefore option number B has the same relationship to our given question. Now let us see the other two options also. In option number C, we are given deception is to fraud. Deception means cheat, fraud also means cheat. So this is also not correct. Option number D, tranquility is to quietness, and tranquility also means quietness or silence. So they are similar in meaning. So from the given options, the correct answer will be option number B, that is construct is to dismantle. Now let us look into the fourth question. From the given options, select the pair of words which carries the same relationship to the given pair of words. The words that are given, resolute is to determine. Now what is the meaning of resolute? Resolute also means determined or something decided. So these two words are synonym of each other. Now we will have to find that pair which has the same relationship or which is synonym of each other. In option number A, we are given appease is to frighten. Now what is the meaning of appease? Appease means calm or happy, and frighten is the opposite of it. So this is not correct. Option number A won't go with our given pair of words. Option number B, we are given hinder is to assist. Hinder means obstruct. Assist means to help. So hinder and assist, this pair is also not correct. Option number C, bustle is to motionless. So option number C is also not correct. Option number D, we are given miniature is to small, and miniature means small or tiny, and it is synonym of each other. Miniature and small, these two words are synonym of each other, and they carry the same relationship to our given question. So the correct answer will be option number D, miniature is to small. Now let us proceed to the fifth question. From the given options, select the one which is similar in meaning to the given word. So we are given one word and we are given four options. Out of the four options, we will have to find the word which has the same meaning to the given word. The first one is nourish. Now what is nourish? Nourish, if you look into the meaning, it means to provide people or living things with food in order to make them grow and keep them healthy. The options that are given, option A, negate, option B, nurture, option C, neglect, option D, native. Now, which word will have the same meaning to the word nourish? If we look into these options, we can easily find that the word nurture has the same meaning as nourish. So the correct answer here will be option number B, nurture. Question number 6. From the given options, select the one which is similar in meaning to the given word. The word is least less. Now what is least less? It means lacking energy or exhausted. Now from the four options that are given, let us find out which word will go with the question least less. Number A is lively. What does lively means? Lively means active. So this is not correct. Option B is brisk, which also means active. Option B also will not go with listless. Option number C is lethargic. Now what does lethargic means? It means laziness or lack of energy. So lethargic and listless are the same, have the same meaning. So, and let us see the option D, that is enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means active and energetic. So from these four options, option number C, that is lethargy, is correct as it has the same meaning with listless. Question number 7. From the given options, select the one which is similar in meaning to the given word sophisticated. Now, what sophisticated means? Sophisticated means experienced, or it means knowledge. Now, what are the options given? Option A, easy. Option B, simple. Option C, naive. And option D, experienced. Now, from these 4 options, option number D, experienced, has the same meaning as sophisticated. So, the correct answer will be option number D. Now let us proceed to question number 8. From the given options, select the one which is similar in meaning to the given word. The word that is given is lament. Now what does lament means? Lament means cry or mourn. The options that are given: complain, option B, mourn, option C, console, and option D, celebrate. Now lament means cry, and from these 4 options, option number B, mourn, has the same meaning. Okay, so option number B will be correct for this question. Let us proceed to question number 9. From the given options, select the correctly spelled word. We are given 4 options, 4 words, and we will have to find the correct spelling. The first is written D-I-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T, deteriorate. Is it correct? Option B, D-E-T-I-R-I-O-R-A-T-E. Option C, D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-E, and option D, D-E-T-R-I-O-R-A-T-E. Now out of these 4 options, which is correctly spelled? So if we look into it, the correctly spelled word is option number C, D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-E, deteriorate. What does it mean? It means to get worsen or collapse. So the correct answer is option number C. Okay. Now let us proceed to the last question from our today's series. That is, from the given option, select the correctly spelled word. In option A, we are given P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A. Now here, just remember, the P is silent. Okay, the P is silent and it is pronounced as pneumonia. In B, we are given P-N-E-N-O-N-I-Y-A. Option number C is given N-E-M-O-N-I-Y-A. Option number D, P-N-I-M-O-N-I-A. Now out of these 4 words, which is the correctly spelled word? The correctly spelled word is option number A, P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A, pneumonia. Now what does pneumonia means? It is an infection of the lungs. So these were the 10 questions for today's video. I will bring for you the remaining part in the next videos. So stay connected with us and do subscribe our channel. And if you have liked this video, please give a like. Thank you.